Hello, Forever World. This is Gary Shreeve. I'm Gregg. We're coming to you from the home office in Arizona, and we hope you're doing well. I have a very exciting announcement I wanted to make today. Many of you know Gary. He's been with the company now for 26 years, believe it or not. It's gone by fast or slow?
Oh, very fast. Incredible.
Gary, he actually started out in the sales field and was working with the FBOs for about 7 years in Houston, Texas. So he has some incredible experience working with you FBOs side by side, understanding exactly what you guys go through every day. And then we asked Gary to come into the home office, and I believe you started with marketing.
Correct, for about 4.5 years of marketing.
He was the director of marketing for Forever, and then he moved into Africa.
Correct, yep. 7 years looking over the African markets and met some of the most resilient FBOs in the Forever world.
And he did an amazing job leading those guys down there, and as you know, we have some great FBO leaders in Africa, and really excited about that. So then Gary, we said, hey, we want to keep you learning about all the Forever aspects. So we put him in charge of all the manufacturing, the aloe fields, Forever Direct. And that's what Gary's been doing for about
10 years almost
10 years now.
10 years,
That
if
is
you can imagine that.
Incredible. Has done an amazing job. We're really so proud of Gary, and so I'm really excited today to announce that I have appointed Gary president of Aloe Vera of America. Hey, congratulations.
Thank you, my man. Thank you, Greg.
Prez Gary, you can call him. And seriously, we're really excited about what's been happening at Aloe Vera of America. As you know, in Dallas, Texas, that's the main manufacturing facility that we have. And Gary, we have some exciting news because there's a lot. We were just down there last week, and there's a lot happening, a lot of new stuff happening. Why don't you just explain a little bit about this new project we got going on?
You bet, Greg. Well, first off, let me say thank you. I appreciate it, the trust, the confidence in it, and we're excited about what the future holds at Aloe Vera of America. As many of you know, years ago at Aloe Vera of America, things were busting. We had, if you remember, Greg, the old jug bottle that we had?
Oh, yeah.
We were producing about 22 million of those that we were shipping through all around the world to each of you. And then if you remember a few years back, about this 2017-18, we launched a Tetra Pak. That took about probably 12 million of those units out of Aloe Vera of America. And as you guys have heard me mention at Rally, and then even you're going to see here in the next little bit, the new PET rolling out into your countries, as we shift to this new PET, which, as you know, Greg, we're excited about.
Yeah,
this is a
amazing,
phenomenal packaging system. But all the bottles, all the gel, all the drinks around the world will shift to the PET, and that has freed up a lot of space at Aloe Vera of America.
Which is being filled elsewhere, not at Aloe Vera of America.
Correct. It's being filled with a co-packer who's a partner of ours who will follow our quality standards, our specifications. Obviously, we'll be testing our products like we always do to make sure that there is no compromise in quality whatsoever. But what that's done is freed up a lot of space at Ava. So we've made the decision to bring all the nutritional products in under one roof at Aloe Vera of America, which we're really excited about. A number of benefits. First off, efficiency. This helps us be more efficient as a company. It helps us also react quicker to the market conditions. So as you see your sales increase in a country, in your country, it gives us the ability to be able to react quicker, to be able to get those products to you, to keep a steady flow of products to you. And what it will do is it'll allow us to be able to look to the future, to be able to provide a steady flow to each of you as our individual FBOs. Now, the other thing about this is it's a big investment, Greg, and I just want to say thank you to you and to the board for putting this investment there, but it is the correct thing to do. We're excited about this process. We are just now breaking ground on kind of the construction because we have to add quite a few rooms and building in the building. It's going to be a great project, but it's going to take us about 6 to 7, 8 months to do this. But like I said, it'll bring it all under one roof at Aloe Vera of America, which we're really excited about.
And it's amazing, I can tell you. Like he said, we've already started the construction. We saw it last week. It's really moving forward. And the exciting thing is we're building it similar to what was at Forever Nutraceutical, where you can come as a visitor and walk around in a hallway with windows and see the actual production of all the products. So that's what's coming for you guys real soon, in an invitation to come and check out the new Aloe Vera of America.
Yep, the new and improved.
Yeah.
The new and improved. And you guys know, at our facilities, we love the tours. We love for you to come see, whether it's Forever Direct or here in the future, Aloe Vera of America. We love for you to come be part of what we do. And honestly, Greg, it really gives our employees that connection to you as the FBOs in the fields. It gives them the opportunity to see what they do on a daily basis and the impact it has in your lives.
So again, congratulations to Gary. He's the guy heading this up. He's leading a great team of many, hundreds of people, and we're really proud of him. So make sure you say, congratulations, Prez Gary.
Thank you, Greg. Appreciate it. Hey, thank you to all of you. Thank you for your support of our global operations. As Greg mentioned, we have hundreds of people around the globe that work tirelessly to make sure you have the very best products. And thank you for being part of the Forever family.
See you soon.